Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to my channel. So today I'm going to show you all how to prepare the passport size photo on Adobe Photoshop 7.0 version. So double click on this icon and it takes some time, so wait a minute. So go to the file and click on the open and open the photo whichever you want to edit. So I will select this photo. Open. This is a photo of Aishwarya Rai. You all know. And now you can cut this in according to your wish. That's not according to your wish, sorry. You can cut it for this size only. That's width 1.5 cm, height 2 cm, and keep resolution 300. And now take a crop tool and crop this image to passport size photo. So until shoulder it's enough. Yes, until shoulder. I'll cut this photo. Okay, press enter. Yeah, it's right now. So now press Ctrl S to select whole image and to cut Ctrl X. Okay, now close this. Say no. And now go to the file and select a new file and give a name passport size photo, whatever your wish, whatever you can give. I'm providing the name passport size photo. Yes. Now select the 4:6 size. It is in the inches, and keep the resolution as it is, mode as it is, and background as it is. Okay, press OK. Now you need to select the layer. Yes, new layer appear, or else you can go to the layer in the menu bar, and here you can select a new layer and click on this layer. You will get a new layer. Now maximize this, and it's now portrait. I want it as a landscape, so I'll go to image, and this is called a canva, so I'll rotate the canva by 90 degree. Yes. Now paste the image before we cut it. So press Ctrl V to paste that image. Yes. Now drag it by using the move tool. Give some stroke to this image. So I'll go to edit. Wait, press enter. Give some stroke to this image. Go to the edit, and here stroke is present. And give about 2 pixels. It looks pretty. Okay. Yes, here border appears. Now you need to fit the image properly here. Yes. Now make the duplicate of this layer. So press Ctrl J shortcut key, or else you can go to the layer and press on the duplicate layer. So for now I'll press Ctrl J, which is a shortcut key. Yes. Now I'll drag that image. Yes. Once again I'll press the Ctrl J. Again I will drag the image. Adjust them very neatly, and once again I'll press Ctrl J, and I'll drag the image in the same way. Now again press the Ctrl J. Ctrl J, and you can put here one more photo copy. Yeah, it's right now. And merge all these layers. So press Ctrl E, or else you can go to the layer and you can merge down. Here is the shortcut key, Ctrl E. So I'll merge down all these layers by pressing shortcut key Ctrl E. And now once again this one, and once again I'll press the Ctrl J and I'll drag this down. Yes, it's pretty good. And once again I'll press Ctrl J and I'll drag it down. Yes, this is the passport size photo we arranged. Now merge this all layers. So press shortcut key Ctrl E. Press Ctrl Alt Z to step back. So you should not merge it on the background. So you press mouse on the last layer and press Ctrl E to merge down. So press merge down. So now this is over, and this is how we can prepare the passport size photos. So now you need to save it as JPG. So go to the file and select save as. So I'll select here format, select as JPEG, and let it be named as it is, or you can provide any other name you want, no worries. Okay, I will save this on my desktop. Okay, this is how we can prepare the passport size photocopies. So please guys, if you like my video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't understand any step, please comment me in the comment box. Okay, thank you for watching.